Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Living Life with Leticia. So today we are going to be making my potato smoked sausage medley, which is just smoked sausage, potatoes, onion, and bell pepper, or whatever you want to throw in. Come on along, we're going to be making that today. These are red potatoes. I normally use these in my roast, but I'm not getting ready to make a roast. And so we were getting ready to decide what we wanted to eat. Okay. So I just want to be soft enough to at least chop them up like that. Now we're going to put, and I put in at least like a tablespoon, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of oil. 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I put just enough to cover the pan, but this is sticking a little bit, so I'm gonna put just a little bit more in there. Doesn't that look good all rolled up there? And you can put in whatever you want. I seen someone make something similar to this when we went to, we were in Missouri somewhere, and we had gone to one of those fairs. And they had smoked sausage, they had potatoes, they had onions and bell peppers, and then they had some other stuff, and it looked and it smelled so good. So when I got home, I was like, I'm making that for, we eat this, we can eat it all day. I make it sometimes for breakfast, and then we have some more for the next day. So right now, I'm halvening those slices just to kind of, chunk them down a little bit. I guess I could cut them like that, like I do the other vegetables, but I don't. And it would make more sense, but hey, I like doing what I do. So now we're gonna get that good stir around, try to break down some of those potatoes, make them into halves of the half and halves of those halves, because they will mush down once it starts cooking real good. And I'm gonna add my smoked sausage. These are skinless smoked sausage, and we used to make it with the skin, and it was, that skin sometimes is not edible. I don't know what they do to it or what they don't do to it, but whatever it is, we can't chew it, okay? So when they came out with the skinless stuff, that was great for us. Now this refrigerator, it's making a noise. I have hairspray. I don't have no WD-40. I know we got some somewhere, but I'm not going to look for it. I know where the hairspray is, so guess what? Or oil sheen. That's what it is, not hairspray, but oil sheen. No more swicking. I hate that. Ugh. I can't stand little noises. Tick-tocking, like my like my clocks or my watches. They, I can hear them ticking, and it drives me nuts. So I pull out the stem first of all, just to save the battery, and then I have a watch case now that I put them in just in case, because I can't stand that ticking, and I can hear it. And yes, I can hear a lot, which is very irritating. But what I would love you guys to have is smell-o-vision, because man, this smells so good. The onions have cooked down, bell peppers have cooked down, potatoes cooked down, and we are now saying our grace. My bubby's praying for our food, and we thank God for everything that He has done for us in our lives. And I don't know why I seem like I always forget at the end to show y'all what I cooked. So there you go. It is a bowl full of joy. It makes my mouth happy. With that ketchup, put a little more salt on it possibly, and you got a meal. Y'all be blessed and be a blessing. Deuces. Bye.